Hello! This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use the template provided to write an APA response to the Week 1 case study. To begin, you'll click on the template file to download it to your computer. Most computers will automatically save this file to the Downloads file on your computer. Different computer settings might send it somewhere else, so you might have to look around. The first thing you'll want to do is click File, Save As, rename the file and save it to a location of your choosing. Make a note of where you save the file to, as you'll later need to retrieve this file in order to submit. I'm going to name it as Week 1 and save it to my desktop. Once that's done, you can simply highlight the placeholders and replace those with your information. So for example, the title of the paper, maybe I want to call this Week 1 Case Study. And my name is Jane Doe. My instructor's name is Dr. Smith, and the date is November 16th of 2020. I like to highlight and copy this title by clicking Control-C at the same time on my keyboard, and then highlighting the title of the paper and clicking Control-V on my keyboard so that I don't have to retype. Then you'll highlight this placeholder text and you'll begin to write your response. One thing I wanted to note about the citations within your paper is that you should be using your own words to write your response to the case study by paraphrasing what you've learned about the concepts related to this particular scenario. Anytime that you include information that's not general knowledge that's from your textbook, you'll want to include a citation. And you do that by clicking immediately following the sentence where you indicated that information, and you'll include the author's last name and the year of the publication. So you'll do this anytime you write a sentence that includes information that's not general knowledge. Then you'll also want to make sure that you update your reference list to include that same reference. In this example, we're using the textbook, so I'm going to go back to the classroom, click on the discussion boards, and then you can actually highlight this information, which is the reference we've provided for you. Again, clicking Control-C on my keyboard, going back to that Microsoft Word document, and then I'm going to highlight this and click Control-V to paste that. You'll notice that it changes the style. I'm going to click anywhere in this other reference example. I'm going to click the Format tab, and then I'm going to highlight that information. That's a really quick and easy way to change the formatting. You can also highlight it and then adjust the font style and the size. And then if you don't use any other reference source, you'll just highlight this and remove it. If you have used a website to help you write your response, there are lots of great citation generators that can help you with that, such as Citation Machine. You'll click on the APA style, and then you can actually click the website and enter the website and then follow the prompts. At the end, Citation Machine, for example, would give you the citation that you can copy and paste and include back here in your paper. Once you have finished your paper and you've written your response to address all of the writing prompts, you'll simply click File, Save As, save it again on your desktop, or you can click Save. It didn't have to be Save As. Then you'll go back to your classroom. Go back to our Week 1 folder, and then click on the assignment link. From there, you can browse your computer and you can search for that file and click Open to upload. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please definitely reach out to your instructor.